everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to ask question on Snapchat. So for that, open the Snapchat application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to click a snap or make a video that you want to send or add as story on your Snapchat. So I'm gonna click a random snap over here. Just click that. Now once you have clicked a snap or a video to send or add a story, you need to tap on the icon from the right side of your screen at the very top, the third option. Tap that third options over here. Once you tap that, you will have all the emojis and all the other stuff in here appear. From there, you will see the option of GIF, mention, topic and question. You tap that question icon. Now here you will be able to ask a question for your Snapchat friend or the group or community. You press backward and you type in your question in here. Now once the question you wanted to ask is typed in, you tap on anywhere on the screen and that will be in your snap. So you can resize it. You can also place it wherever you want on your snap story. So once you do that, you tap on next. From here you will be able to send it to your friend or add it to your story. I'm gonna send it to a friend and add to my story. Tap on next. With that will be sent to your friend and also will be added on your Snapchat story. So this is how you can ask question on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.